Once upon a time, our planet flourished with boundless beauty and diversity. Green forests are a symphony of life. The land provides shelter, nourishment, and a home for billions of species that exist in a delicate balance. Towering trees reaching towards the sky, their leaves swinging with the wind. The deep blue oceans stretch out like an endless expanse. Beneath the waves, a vibrant world come alive with colorful coral reefs that form intricate underwater gardens. The majestic mountains rise tall with strength. Their peaks catch the first light of dawn and the last light of dusk, carving out paths through the landscape and nourishing the flora and fauna that call the mountains home. The universe, with its vast expanse of galaxies, stars, and cosmic wonders, holds endless mysteries waiting to be discovered and explored. As time passes by, cities rise, technology advances, and industry expand. Our dependence on fossil fuels power our cities and vehicles, filling the air with exhaust and greenhouse gases. Skyscrapers pierce the sky. Highways and roads stretch out like veins, connecting bustling urban centers, while all types of vehicles move non-stop, weaving through highways, skies, and waterways, which are driven by the lifeblood of petroleum.
Amazon surging to record levels last month, nearly
世界上最大的雨林，每分钟就会流失一片足球场大小区域的森林。
Of deforestation,
in fact, gone down considerably ever since Lula has taken charge.
lot of forest land due to the expansion of crops like palm oil, and this is for
in a tropical country like the Philippines.
亚马逊雨林占地550万平。
Now, the National Institute for Space Research shows
About 61% in the month of January in comparison with the same.
And protect us against the impacts of climate change.
Extreme weather events have become more frequent and intense. Hurricanes, floods, droughts, and wildfires break communities, leaving destructions in their wake and displacing countless lives. Our oceans, which regulate the planet's climate and provide habitats for countless species, are warming and acidifying. Many species, unable to adapt quickly enough, face the threat of extinction. Forests, once large and teeming with life, were cared for agriculture, urban development, and logging. Industrial factories churning out goods to meet our demands, release plumes of smoke into the atmosphere. According to the Food and Agriculture Organizations, the world has lost approximately 178 million hectares of forest in the past few decades.
One of the most pressing issues is the degradation of our rivers, lifeline that sustain countless community, wildlife, and natural habitats. Rivers, once pristine and abundant, now suffer from pollution, industrial waste, and deforestation, disrupting the delicate balance of nature. In alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal SDG 13, climate actions that we are targeting, we recognize the urgent need to combat climate change and its impacts. Part of this goal includes protecting and restoring natural ecosystems, including our rivers, which play a role in regulating the climate and supporting biodiversity. Recognizing the urgency of this crisis, we sought out an organization dedicated to protecting our rivers. The Alliance of River Tree, This NGO focuses on river conservation, protection, and rehabilitation, aiming to restore these vital waterways to their former glory. We chose these organizations because of its commitment to sustainable river management and its hands-on approach to making a difference. Our journey began with reaching out to the organizations. We drafted a formal letter expressing our interest in volunteering, highlighting our mission to spread awareness through this documentary. After receiving their response, we follow up with a phone call discussing the logistics of our visit and how we could contribute. With everything in place, we prepare ourselves for the on-site experience. When we arrived, we were introduced to one of the organizers who welcomed us and gave us our first task, helping to carry items from her car down to the voluntary site. After settling in, we had a short briefing about the organization mission and how their work contribute to fighting climate change. Without wasting time, we were assigned our first task, river cleanup. Deacon and Oscar worked in Zone 1, while Eileen, Hongjing, and Shenjie focused on Zone 2. Within each group, one person collected recyclable while the other gathered non-recyclable waste. It was shocking to see the sheer amount of trash polluting the river, a stark reminder of how human activity impact the environment. After the cleanup, we moved on to land restoration efforts. Deacon and Oscar plucked out weeds, Eileen collected composted dirt, while Hongjing and Shenjie picked up the dry leaf. Before proceeding further, we were briefed on how food loss different from food waste and how both contribute to climate change.
You have to throw that is waste. Food loss is incurred before the food comes to your table. A plate of nasi lemak, you have nasi, you have santan, you have the herbs, the spices, the ikan bilis, the telur. So all this has to come from the supply chain in order to make a plate of nasi lemak for you. When you throw away an unfinished nasi lemak, you are not only wasting the food, but you are also incurring the food loss along the supply chain. How many people needs to involve in order to deliver to the kedai to cook a nasi lemak for you?
This knowledge set the stage of our next task, composting. We dug a 3-inch deep hole to layer compostable materials like vegetable scraps, eggshells, and fruit peels, covering them with composted dirt, dry leaves, and surrounding soil. This process helped accelerate decomposition, creating nutrient-rich soil. Later, we stripped down yellow banana leaf with sticker nib and used them for mulching, an essential step in maintaining soil health. During this time, we also learned about the crucial role of bees in agriculture, how farms without flowering plants struggle with pollination, affecting crop yields and overall vegetation health. As we wrap up, we conducted interviews with the organizer and some local about the state of river and the environmental challenge they face.
What is the mission of your organization?
My organization is called Alliance of River Tree. I'm Xuan, co-founder of the organization. Today, my founder and my teammates, Kennedy, Michael, and Gabriel, is not here with me, so I'm holding the fort for today. Our organization is to restore the riverine and biodiversity ecosystem.
What are the biggest challenges that your organization face currently?
Our biggest challenge all this while is always the people, the human that do not understand the work that we do. They still throw the rubbish, they still litter everywhere, they still pollute the river and the environment. So human people generally are our biggest challenge.
Hi, good morning, Miss. So I have a question to ask you. What inspired you to create or join this organization?
Good morning. Thank you for the question. My friend Kennedy Michael invited me to be part of this initiative where he was being in the one of the public group that highlighted the issues at this space where it was full with the trash, where people walk by, they throw the rubbish. So it has been highlighted in the social media, and few individuals from the social media comes together, say let's do something. So as a friend to Kennedy Michael, he invited, then I come along and join this initiative.
So the last question is, can you share some of your most significant achievement or successful story?
Yes, we have quite a numbers of volunteers who volunteer with us for the past 5 years on every Sunday, and one of the group is called Beyond 20. They are from MCKL Methodist College Kuala Lumpur. Zoe, she is the first together with a group of friends to come to volunteer, and after understanding the value, the impact, and why everyone should become a sustainability change maker, she decided that she wants to initiate a group. Initially, they just want to come here to complete 20 hours community service. Then she created the group that is called Beyond 20. The work that everyone is doing does not need to stop after the 20 hours. Therefore, everyone can continue to do for the good for the environment and also socially. So therefore, MCKL, they have created a group called Beyond 20, and Beyond 20 is now part of the school club. So anyone can volunteer with Beyond 20, not just for environmental, for social, for wildlife as well. So this is one of our success story that we are very proud of.
Foto sikap pada bersikap kita jugalah sebagai rakyat, sebagai orang ramai kan, sebab dia orang suka-suka buang sampah dalam sungai. Itu yang sampah akan mengalir masuk daripada longkang dan terus ke sungai, so sungai kita jadi kotor lah dengan botol-botol plastik dan macam-macam sampah lah, mayat pun ada kan. Saya punya prinsip dulu berkebun hanya untuk menjaga kawasan ni sebenarnya, nak kasih dia nampak cantik. Dulu last time ni memang teruk lah, hutan lah, Syuan pun tahu ya Syuan. Lepas tu kita dah potong pokok-pokok dan kita mula tanam lah dengan kawan 3 orang, Cik Muharram dengan juga Encik Leman. Kita tebas pokok dan kita mula tanam pokok-pokok ni lah. Orang kata just untuk for fun saja sebenarnya, bukannya untuk money lah.
Finally, after a long but fulfilling day, we pack up, clean the site, and bid farewell, leaving with a newfound appreciation for the impact of collective actions. In conclusion, climate change is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Indeed, it is difficult to expect an overnight change in the minds of the public. Although the action of a single individual will not have a major impact of the environment, it must begin somewhere and with someone to start a ball rolling. Thus, only if we all work hand in hand to tackle this issue will there be hope of reversing global warming. I wish that every one of you will start volunteering and donating to the organizations. Otherwise, human beings may be grave danger of destruction. Let us start the action today. Thank you very much.